The phrasal verb step through has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it's used. Here are the main ones. To walk through or move through this is the most literal sense, meaning to take a step or series of steps to move through something. For instance, 1. She stepped through the doorway and into the room. He stepped through the narrow alley to get to the other side of the block. To explain or demonstrate in detail. This is a more figurative use, often used in instructional or technical contexts. It means to go through a process or procedure step by step. For instance, the instructor stepped through the entire process of setting up the software. The teacher stepped through the math problem on the board for the students. To progress through stages. This can also mean to move through different stages or levels of something. For instance, Dilwarte. We need to step through the different phases of the project to ensure we meet our deadline. We stepped through the various stages of the application process.